Well, you guys saw the title of the video. Let's see on how you can make $100 a day or more on your Shopify dropshipping store with absolutely zero ad spend. What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy Yash. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, then welcome to it. So, ladies and gents, as someone who's been actively involved in the e-commerce dropshipping space for a little over 4.5 years now, I definitely understand that spending money on ads can leave your pockets running empty very quickly. And this is especially if you don't have the proper time, resources, or tools by your side. I was there not too long ago. So therefore, I want to share this unique strategy with y'all that I've been experimenting for over a few months now, and this strategy has led me to achieve $100 in sales at the bare minimum every single day. The great thing about this strategy, y'all, is that it really only takes an hour or two of your time per day to really hit that $100 or $200 per day benchmark. You see, this strategy is solely contingent on your input, the amount of time that you're actually putting into it. So if you have more time, if you have 3, 4, 5, 6 hours or even more, it is very much possible that you'll be seeing $1,000 per day in free sales. And I say free because yes, there is no ad spend involved, no Facebook ads, no Google ads, none of that. Really, all you really need the most is your time and your energy. So whether you're someone who's just thinking of starting your own Shopify dropshipping store, in that case, congrats. Congratulations! But even if you're a beginner or intermediate player in the game, this strategy can definitely be a great game changer for you and your business. So with that being said, guys, make sure you guys do watch through the entire video. Maybe even take some notes if you're really feeling like it, because I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to really replicate this process and potentially earn thousands of dollars per week in sales. Before we do move forward into the video, and you do want to get your good deed of the day out and done with, make sure you guys do drop a like on this video, and while you're at it, feel free to also subscribe to the channel with that post notification bell turned on so you guys are updated with all recent and new videos. So the way I'm able to generate the $100 to $200 in sales every single day at the bare minimum is by utilizing the TikTok platform. And unless you've been living under a rock, I'm pretty sure you guys know what the TikTok platform is. It's absolutely blown up over the past few months, and us e-commerce business owners have been able to capitalize from TikTok very much. So you see, there's two main ways to drive traffic to your Shopify store from TikTok, right? The first way is a traditional way, and that is to run TikTok ads. The second way is a little bit of a more non-traditional way, and that is exactly what I do, is by actually posting organic content on TikTok, hoping it to go viral, hoping it to gain a lot of traction and consistency over the time, a lot of views, shares, a lot of engagement in general, having to reach a lot of people, and then in general, that traffic all comes back to your Shopify store and people purchase from your website. So essentially how I find these different products to sell really differentiates. So one main way to find products to actually sell on TikTok is maybe revisiting your older winners on Facebook. The TikTok platform is still very naive. It's still very new. So if one thing or if one product is saturated on Facebook, it doesn't necessarily mean it's saturated on TikTok. For example, this anti-gravity phone case is absolutely killing it on TikTok right now. And this is an absolutely OG product that people used to dropship almost when I started the game almost 4 to 5 years ago. But before we do actually get into the creative side of things, I want to actually go ahead and make sure that you understand these following components in order to maximize your return with the TikTok organic strategy. So it's very important to understand these following points, ladies and gents. Lower ticket products usually work better on TikTok. Products that you can sell between $10 to $40. And this main reason is that people's attention spans are very less on TikTok in general. This is pattern interruption marketing, right? So you have to understand that you want to sell products that people don't have to put a lot of time and thinking behind before they actually go ahead and purchase it. Products that are between $10 to $40, these are more impulsive products that people can go ahead and buy right away. without putting much time and much thought behind these products, and maybe even feeling guilty of purchasing something very high in ticket. My second point is you want to go ahead and make sure the product is broad, meaning it is mass targetable and mass approachable. You want to make sure the product doesn't have a lot of limitations, biases, and hindrances attached towards it, because this will definitely increase the scalability and the longevity of that product as well. So for instance, you don't want to sell something super niche down like an underwater basket weaving kit. You want to sell something like this 100 ways to say I love you necklace, because this product has mass appeal, and of course it does have a wow and impulsive factor behind it as well. And last but not least is what we're going to cover at the end of this video, and that is content. Content is absolutely key when it comes to this specific strategy, guys, and you do in fact need UGC, otherwise known as user generated content. So basically your typical Facebook video or image ad will not work with this strategy, because the piece of content that you're actually pushing out yourself has to be native to the platform, meaning it has to fit in with all the other TikToks that you're seeing on your For You page. So like I said before, one way to find products is by revisiting your older Facebook winners or products that did pretty well on Facebook 1, 2, 3, 4 years ago. The other way you can find proper validated products is go onto the TikTok search bar, type in stuff like beauty hacks, Amazon made me buy it, TikTok made me buy it, different things like that, and you'll get an overall idea of what's currently doing well on TikTok. In general, guys, don't overthink it. As long as it really goes ahead and appeals to all of these points, you should be good. So yes, you yourself are going to have to push out the content from your TikTok business page. Basically, it's like making a TikTok page like how you would on Instagram for your specific store. Of course, you can go on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Bilo and pay people to make user-generated content for you, but that can be very expensive and very time-consuming and really not the most efficient option. That's why I recommend ordering the product from either Amazon or eBay and then creating the actual content yourself simply from your iPhone, right? It doesn't have to be anything crazy like this camera like here, because again, you have to really make sure it fits into the native content on TikTok. And mostly all these native content videos on TikTok are quite frankly filmed through people's iPhones. If you do want to see proper examples, I definitely recommend checking out the TikTok Creative Center. These have great examples, and you can go ahead and filter through different categories and whatnot to see what's really working on the platform in terms of e-commerce products and other products in general that people and influencers are pushing out.
Damn, I'm thirsty.
So after you make your TikTok business page, fill in the bio, make sure the actual link is in the bio as well. That is very important. Go ahead and follow some people maybe, and of course, make sure you do have your logo as your profile picture so you come off as an authoritative figure on TikTok. All right, so let's say you want to go ahead and sell this phone case. This is an OG product that did very well through influencers on Instagram and Facebook ads quite a while ago, but this is basically not only a phone case, but it's also magnetic, and it also comes inbuilt with the privacy screen, as you can see, so no one can see what you're doing on your phone. Great product, comes in different colors. This is the green one right here, and it is mass targetable and mass approachable, exactly what we want to go for. So you have to make sure that you're being as creative as possible on TikTok. You want to go ahead and make sure you capture people's attention in the first 1 to 2 seconds of them actually viewing your video. So what I'm doing is I got a little creative, and on this piece of paper I wrote "Stop the Peekers," and I'm essentially going to put this inside the phone case so people can see the before and the after of the privacy screen and how it actually works. So let's put this inside of the phone case, right, like this, and then on top of it, like I said, this is magnetic, so I'm going to put it on top, and boom. So basically now you can see it, now you can't, now you can see it, now you can't. Damn! That's exactly how this phone case works, and that's the main purpose of it. All right, so really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and make an example TikTok so you can see on how I do things. Yo guys, this is the phone case everyone has been going crazy for on TikTok. It comes inbuilt with the privacy screen, so literally no one can see what you're doing on your phone. How clutch is that? Link in bio. Awesome, so I'm gonna go ahead and edit that and then I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. But one more thing is that I really recommend getting familiar, super familiar with the TikTok editor. It really has so much to offer. Different, sounds, different captions, different types of fonts, Siri voiceovers. So again, it really depends on how creative you can actually get with your content, with your UGC. Consistency is key at the end of the day. But anywho, let me go ahead and put my TikTok up so you guys can see. Cool, so let me go ahead and put it up like I said.
A few minutes later.
Yo guys, this is the phone case everyone has been going crazy for on TikTok. It comes inbuilt with the privacy screen, so literally no one can see what you're doing on your phone. How clutch is that? Link in bio. So there you guys go. That is just one piece of content for you guys to take inspiration from. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, consistency is absolutely key. So what I recommend doing is having up to 3 different TikTok accounts, and on each TikTok account, post 2 to 4 TikToks per day. Make sure these TikToks are separated in 2 to 4 hour intervals. You don't want to post them right after one another because TikTok can definitely flag your account thinking that you're a bot or something like that. So usually 2 to 4 hour intervals are totally fine. Maybe 1 or 2 in the morning, 1 or 2 in the afternoon, and then 1 or 2 at night, which is when the engagement is really high typically. So now you're also probably wondering about this. You're probably like, Yash, wait, you're telling me to post on 3 different TikTok accounts, 2 to 4 pieces of content every single day. Isn't that tedious? Isn't that super time consuming? Maybe in the beginning, guys, but once you do it enough, once you post 3, 4, 5 times a week and really get into that rhythm, really get into that groove and familiarize yourself with the TikTok platform, seeing what's working, seeing what's not working, really doubling down on certain patterns and trends, it really doesn't take that long, guys. Like I said, it almost takes me an hour to film all pieces of content for all my accounts and edit them. So again, if you do have more time, go ahead and post 5, 6, 7 pieces of content for each account. But at the bare minimum, I do recommend about 2 to 4 pieces of content for each account. Overall, guys, it all really depends on your input. Also, the great thing about TikTok in general, guys, is that once people start following you, it's almost like free retargeting. So for example, if you have like 7, 8, 9, 10K followers, right? Once you amass that over the time, those 7, 8, 9, or 10K followers are basically getting free retargeting, every time you're actually posting content on the platform. If you really think about it, right? You're just getting in front of those people absolutely for free over and over again, unless they do choose to disfollow you. Huh? Wait, did I just say disfollow? I meant unfollow you. So yeah, that's why TikTok is great, because it's free retargeting with this method, and you also have a bunch of fun as well and really get to show your creative side. Last but not least, I do want to leave y'all off with these additional tips, because this will only maximize your success with this specific strategy. Go ahead and go on the TikTok app and head on over to the Discover page. Over here, guys, you'll see what's trending in terms of music, hashtags, filters, effects. Try and incorporate these assets into your videos, into your UGC. This will only help you out, get you more exposure, because the TikTok algorithm will specifically favor that piece of content and boost it up to a higher quality of audience. Because, for example, you're using hashtags or pieces of content that are super trending on the platform. So typically every 1 or 2 days, I'll go on the Discover app and see what kind of hashtags and music I can incorporate in my videos. This will only help you guys out and increase your chances of your videos going viral. And quite frankly, guys, all it really takes is one video for things to start kicking off. And there you have it. That is exactly on how you can earn potentially up to a few $100s in sales every single day with zero ad spend. I truly hope this video was informative and helpful and gave you some insight on other ways to drive free traffic to your website. Also, if you did make it till this point in the video, then I appreciate you.
I appreciate that.
But seriously, if you guys do have any questions, thoughts, or concerns, then feel free to leave them in the comments down below because I do reply to each and every single one of them. Furthermore, guys, definitely recommend checking out all the links and resources in the description down below, as they can and will be very helpful for your Shopify dropshipping store. Also, do me a favor and comment down below what other videos and content ideas you want to see around e-commerce and digital marketing. Again, the main purpose of this channel is to truly provide the most insight and value for you guys. Also, if you didn't know, my new upload schedule for the channel, at least for now, is every Monday and Thursday, so look forward to those. Other than that, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Remember to keep working hard and, more importantly, continue staying awesome. Until the next one, your boy is out. Peace.